Hi, another real estate advice from Wilson Geno, Realtor, Red Deer Central, Alberta. Thinking of selling your house? The truth is, the market sets the price, not your emotion, not your motivation or reason for selling. Your home is worth what the market is willing to pay. Pricing too high scares away motivated buyers. It makes your listing sit on the market. And when that happens, your recourse is to reduce the price. A couple of days pass, weeks, still no viewing request. Then again you reduce the price. That creates an impression to the buyer that there's something wrong with the house. That way you keeps changing the price. Pricing it right from the start can attract more buyers, create stronger interest and even multiple offer. It sells faster and closer to your goal price. Smart pricing is equal to strategic selling. As a seller, your advantage comes from understanding the current market, recent sales and buyer behavior, not from guesswork. If you're planning to sell your house, let's position your home where it stands out and sells. Follow for more real estate advice.